Welcome to Finan, where money is made easy, and in today's video, you will learn how. Without having to produce a single piece of original material, you only need to have the capacity to copy a URL, whether on your PC or mobile device, and then visit a website where you will paste that exact same link and click on Generate. One example of a page on TikTok is WealthLock, which earns between $500 and $3,000 per day from TikTok content, even though they don't record it themselves. You will see that many of their films are nature views from stock video sources that they didn't even record. All they are doing is adding simple text to those videos, creating their own simple motivational videos, and posting them to TikTok. Those videos receive hundreds of thousands or even millions of views, which they use to earn affiliate commissions, TikTok ad revenue, and to expand their YouTube channels, which also yield more YouTube ad revenue. In addition to being the foundation of the entire business, TikTok also creates a few new income streams, one of which will be demonstrated to you today. It is really that easy. You may not believe it, but making a TikTok could only take 5 to 10 minutes. That is all it takes out of your day, after which you may carry on with your activities, whether you work a 9 to 5 job or are still a student. As a result, this is a fantastic side business that could eventually replace your primary source of income and barely consume any of your days. Another excellent example of a page is the Best You, as they simply take YouTube stock videos and add their own inspirational quotes over various speeches that they found there. If you click on the link in their bio, it will lead you to an affiliate link. You will see that they have an Instagram account, they also advertise various music albums, they are musicians as well, and are leveraging music to monetize their TikTok videos. You will also see that they have many affiliate connections for games like Wallpaper Engine, Bass Road Runner, one of the games on the Play Store, and their contact. They generate cash from a variety of sources, including music and affiliate links in their bio on their TikTok page, which again received hundreds of thousands of views, with some of their videos even surpassing 1 million. A couple of smaller pages are also doing this, like one called the Inspirational Daily, which has just 33,000 followers but has far more views overall than that. Even when only one or two videos receive 5,000 or 6,000 views, not every video will be successful. One of their most recent videos had over 400,000 and 70,000 views. Going back to WealthLock, if you pick at one of their most recent videos, they have one that is just a simple stock video of a snowy mountain. They then have a quotation above it saying, "There are people in this world whose faces light up when they see you, and that's not because of what you can do or what you can provide or how they can benefit from you. It's just because of who you are." That short, straightforward quotation, which is a rousing backing song, has already had over 112,000 views in the day since it was released. So, if you imagine 100,000 people in front of you, that's how many people you're reaching with this video if you receive 100,000 views in a single day. So, how can you begin with this? First step is to simply visit Pinterest.com or conduct a Google search for Pinterest and select the first result. You could look at some of the most inspirational phrases on Pinterest. If you go to the home feed and click the search box, you may look up the greatest quotations, motivational quotes, or inspirational quotes. For a TikTok video, you want to select one that can have a major impact on people. Let's say you were able to choose one which says, "If you don't sacrifice for what you want becomes a sacrifice." Step number 2 is the most important part, so pay close attention to what you must do. Simply visit pexels.com, or you may also utilize pixabay.com. You may also use Google to look up any free stock video websites. Go and navigate over to the video section where you can view a wide variety of videos over there. Let's say you want to look at videos of drone footage or any other types of drone videos. Simply choose a video that you like, one that captivates you. Imagine you were able to find perfect stock footage of a drone soaring across the mountains. To download that video to your computer for free, go and click on download while selecting the highest quality option. Since stock video websites exist to post content without any copyright issues attached to it, you are now able to use that video entirely as your own, use it in your own videos, and repost it on YouTube and TikTok without running into any copyright issues. Once the video has been downloaded, all you need to do is choose a quotation to add. You can now come over to vid.io, a free online video editing tool, to edit your video over there. Once you've logged in with your account, you will be redirected to a dashboard where you will be able to click on New Video, then Create Project. Go ahead and upload the same stock video that you just uploaded by clicking the Upload a File button there. What's really cool about vid.io is that if you want to use stock videos as well, they give them to you for free. You can load up a wide variety of different stock videos by simply clicking on Media and selecting Stock Videos. One example video they have, which is cool, is an aerial view of a beach. Now, under Settings, make sure to click on Size, then check for the TikTok size, which is the portrait orientation. After that, select subtitles from the menu or add text manually if you want. Make sure the language is set to English. Type in something like a sample text or filler text, click on Add Subtitles, a place in the center, and then input the code that you want to put on your video. You can then change the type of style you use. For instance, if you want white text on the background, a box, or a background that is more transparent, you can do all that. Therefore, I'm just going to make my text a little bit bigger and center it a little bit more. The first caption can be made to last for 5 seconds, while the second caption, for example, can last for 4 seconds. As a result, your movie will resemble the one below. You make it seem like the one below, make sure to trim the whole video to match the length of your captions. Your TikTok is now finished in an instant. As you can see, this is precisely what these pages are doing, and it's not even 8 or 9 seconds. This type of content is popular, and now all that's left to do is add a motivational background song to it, because the plain text would be a little too dull, right? You may click on audio there to see the variety of stock audio available. The best approach to accessing audio files is to visit other TikTok pages and select their most popular videos. Consider a video with 960,000 views as an example. You can listen to the music they're using or go to Google and search for sad or emotional TikTok tracks to see if they sound any better. If you click on some YouTube videos, you will find a ton of different emotional or sad viral TikTok songs. You may go over and copy the song's name. Just go and search it on YouTube, copy the song's YouTube URL, come over to Google and go and search for YouTube to MP3. You can now go download that YouTube video and convert it to an MP3 song by pasting your link on a converter website like y2mate.is. Once you have successfully downloaded the MP3 format of your chosen YouTube video, go to vid.io, choose the audio tab, click on upload file, and then select the music you just downloaded. If you simply go and search on TikTok for inspirational sites, you can discover all kinds of accounts there to go gain ideas. You may even take a few quotes from their pages, and you can also see that some of their films are exploding in popularity. Now, the actual way you're going to be making money from this is through visiting clickbank.com, an affiliate marketing network website where you can go and find hundreds to thousands of different affiliate products that you can go and promote. Don't worry as well, because you are free to sign in or create a free account. After logging into your ClickBank account, you will find a ton of other categories over there on the left. So, go onto the Marketplace tab first. From there, you may choose from a variety of various product sectors to advertise. It wouldn't make sense to promote a cooking or food product in a motivational niche, but since we are in that niche for this video, we want to promote a product related to that. It might, unless you're into exercise and stuff like that, but you want to keep it in context. You can therefore click on the page's links for spirituality, new age, and beliefs. Manifestation items are one of the most effective categories of affiliate marketing products to advertise in the motivational sector. The wealth manifestation offer taking the market by storm is one item in the market in particular that really sells for a lot. You will receive $6 in passive commissions per month from the subscription program in addition to the $48 per sale you generate. If you click on their website, you will be redirected to the full landing page, including a free video and webinar which is already prepared for you. If you go ahead and click on Promotes over there and then select Create Hop Link, you will see that you now have your own special affiliate link which you can use on the Linktree tool. You may sign up for a Linktree account or log in right now to get a free landing page for your bio. You can click on Add a new link from there to add all of your social media accounts, including Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. But in this instance, since you're earning money through affiliate marketing, you want to copy the title of the landing page of the motivational affiliate product from ClickBank and paste it into your title on Linktree. On ClickBank, you will then want to copy your affiliate link, which you can then paste under your URL. You may now click on your Linktree link to go directly to your landing page with a connection to your affiliate link for the affiliate product. You then go to your TikTok account's bio and put the URL to your Linktree accounts there. Now, here's a calculation of how much money you could make off doing all that. Let's say you copy from a page with 30,000 followers. Let's assume that on average, they receive between 8,000 and 15,000 views every day, with 1 or 2 films occasionally surpassing 4,000 views. Imagine that out of 8,000 to 15,000 persons, at least one converts each day, bringing the daily revenue to $48. If 5 people convert, your daily income will increase to $241, plus you will receive a monthly rebilling commission of $6. So, you can easily comprehend the concept of volume posting consistently. You can really start to build up a good income with this. Let's now imagine that you upload 30 movies in your first month or 1 video per day, and that each video receives 1,000 views for a total of 30,000 views every month. Say that after 5 months, you have 200 videos that receive 10,000 views every month. 200 times 10,000 views would equal 2 million views each month. That's a lot. The key to success in this is truly virality and volume over time. Always stay focused on learning and developing discipline. Get educated, make a plan, and stay the course. If you found this informative, smash the like button, please share it with a friend, comment down below, and let us know what would you like to have made Finan simple next. And definitely subscribe so you don't miss new content. Keep your head up, ears open, and always search for knowledge. See you soon!